In a fun junk journal dream, DJ's crafting grungy scenes. Hither and yon, where friends all meet. Paper glue and vintage treats.
Hello, my crafty friends. Happy September. It's fall, y'all. It is in my world. I know we have a couple of weeks to go, but I'm there. The weather turned a little and I'm all in. I whipped out the crochet. It's on. All right, let's get into September. If you're new here, I'm DJ and this is Hither and Yon Studio, and each month I release a brand new free digital for you all to enjoy. It's a mini junk journal kit, and this month it's all about fall and the sunflowers. So I'm going to get into it and we'll go through it and you can see what's in. And if you want to get it, you can see the description box below where I'll list all the details you need to go ahead and get this. All right, so let's get into it. So we have our half fold pages first. Again, if you're new here, these get cut in half and then folded, and it makes a small journal. So these are the half fold pages. Beautiful sunflowers are definitely the theme this month. I love them, and I know a lot of you do too. So I put them in this month, as well as some traditional fall scenes in my world. If you don't like sunflowers, that's fine. You can come back next month and there'll be something new. There's plenty of other months that are up in the shop too. So if you missed a past month, you can go purchase them over there. But this month it's free. So if you want to get this one, go ahead. And then I gave you some blanks. And that's actually what I printed on the back of all of these so that I could extend them a bit. But you can print them back to back as well and they'll line up. So I just have a few of these to kind of fill in, and this is another one with some imagery on it. So those are the half pages, and you get 9 of those. Well, you get, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of those. And then we have these full sheets, so you can cut these up into tags, covers. I didn't print on the other side of mine yet. There's 10 of these, and they're all in these wonderful berry colors and colors of fall. I've fallen in love with this berry color this year, so that's going to be my go-to. And then just some more neutral pages, but in the fall theme. And last, we have all the fussy cuts, and there are a lot of them again this month. I know some of you love the cut aparts and some of you don't, but I want to do a nice layered journal this month, so that's why there's so many. You choose what you want to use. Obviously birds and sunflowers. Lots of pumpkins, leaves, moths, all the themes of fall are here. And bits of ephemera, so tags and little parts that you can put in pockets, which are coming up. Some mini tags, some journaling cards, just some stuff. I want to make lots of layers. These are triple pockets, so you just lay one on top of the other. So a triple stacked pocket. And then more pockets and tags and little cards. Sweater weather. These are side pockets. So lots of bits for you to play with this month. And it's going to be a fun one. So if you're in with me and the sunflower theme, then go ahead and click the link in the description box and go ahead and get your free kit. It's free all throughout the month of September 2025. And I hope you will join me for the craft alongs here on YouTube. And I'll see you there. Have a great rest of your day or night. Bye.